In this video, I'll show you how to add a motion blur whip transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a fast motion blur between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, dynamic, and energetic. It works great for action edits, travel videos, sports highlights, and cinematic sequences. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for directional blur. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Angle controls the direction of the motion blur. Blur amount controls how strong the blur streak effect looks. Blur offset adjusts the motion flow of the blur across the transition. Exposure controls the brightness during the effect, and dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a quick whip transition. Use a longer duration for a smoother motion blur effect. For best results, make sure the blur direction matches the movement in your footage. And that's it. That's how you add a motion blur whip transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.